Facebook, Instagram. This client in particular has a calendar that fires, but their booking software fires a purchase pixel when the person schedules a call. So none of the presets, you come into Facebook and you have all these presets here, video, performance, engagement, and based on the type of campaign that you have, you want to make sure that we are reading the data left to right, just like we would a book. And what I noticed was this, this is an old thing. We have the book call now that's firing the purchase. So I wanted to update my reporting so that it's just easier for me to understand what's going on in the account. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to customize my columns, and I'm going to, I really don't look at any of this stuff up front. I normally just, and I will put amount spent. This is where I normally start looking. Amount spent, results, cost per result, cost per link click, click-through rate, clicks in general. I normally put this here. Link clicks, cost per link click, CTR all. There should be link CTR. Where's my, do I not have link CTR in there? Link. There is CTR link click through rate. Where is it? CTR there. Okay. I'm losing my mind today. Landing page views, right? I normally will put that right about here because I want to see how many people click, how many people actually hit the landing page. Then we're going to see the cost per click. We're going to see click through rate. There's certain KPIs I'm looking for there. Clicks all, I don't really care about those, so I'll put those down at the bottom. Landing page views, cost per click all, don't care. CTR all, I do watch, tells me how good I'm stopping the scroll. So we have CTR all. I'm going to put that up in front of CTR link click-through rate, so I measure the ratio between those two. And now we have registrations completed, cost per registration completed. And I'm going to put purchases here and cost per purchase. And I think I want to initiate checkout because I think there's a thing that it measures there. So let's put value. I don't want value, I want cost. So I'm going to put in-app purchases is unnecessary for this. So I'm going to save that as a preset. Sometimes I'll put a campaign on it. So this is evergreen campaign. I'm going to apply. And now when I go through here, I can see what is costing me the most, right? So I can say, I start at amount spent, and I can just read left to right. So this one is definitely, it's interesting. That's a ask that I'm running, which is more expensive than everything else. So 7 days, amount spent, here's my results, here's how much it costs to get those results, here's my link clicks, here's my landing page views, so I can see if there's a large drop off. Sometimes that'll tell me if there's a problem with the landing page, too many images, too heavy, too much video. You will see anomalies like this one, 63, 69, like how do we get more people to the page? Just Facebook, their tracking can be varied. CTR all, this tells me how good this particular stuff is at stopping the scroll. And this one here tells me click-through rate. That's how good the copy is performing so that it's getting people to click, right? And you want to see above 1, all these are good. So what's an anomaly here is, why is this ad set more expensive, cost per result, when it has a really good click-through rate? So I'm good at stopping the scroll. You want this above 3, roughly, depending on what your placements are. If it's feed only, it'll be higher. But why are we're getting people to stop, we're getting people to this video, and we're getting a lot of people to click through, almost double everything else. But for whatever reason, the landing page is converting worse. So I don't know why that is. But we are getting, let's see, cost per purchase. So we did book a call from that, which is good. That's not terrible for book a call. Some of these are really good, but these have been running a while. These are more seasoned. This is just a test. It hasn't been running that long. So I'll keep an eye on it. Something I would check here is just to make sure, I'm pretty sure the link is working correctly because we're seeing people go all the way through. It might be an interest issue because but even then the link CTR wouldn't be that high. So I'm going to watch it, see how it performs for the next couple of days, but it's significantly more expensive than some of my other traffic. So as far as my completed registrations, so I'll keep an eye on it and I might have to cut it. Sometimes what I'll do with a campaign like this is I'll just actually restart the campaign the next good time frame and see if that helps. Sometimes you just get a bad seed and it's not the actual product. It's the actual copy or creative or anything that's wrong. It's just you have a bad seed of people. We've gotten 26 people over to the page and we've only gotten 6 people. So that's lower than usual. So, but being able to read this left to right just kind of tells you the journey of the person who is going through the ads, scrolling, ad, clicking link, going over, completing registration, and then booking a call, which in this case is purchase. So hope that helps. I will see you guys in another video. Bye now.